I'm gonna show you how to swipe type with your iPhones. This is pretty neat. So only thing you need to do is download the app and go to your app store. And I'm gonna click on the app store. And what you wanna type in is Gboard. And click on the Gboard and go down to this blue one down here, the Google. And get it. Okay, it's downloading now. Once the download is finished, you just hit the open and it'll walk you through. Just hit this get started, and it's going to give you a little few examples on what to do. And make sure all of this stuff is turned on, full access, turn on the keyboard and everything. So first you want to go to settings once you got it download and go down until you see general. You click on general, then go to keyboard and click on the keyboards. You want to hit add new keyboard, and you got it right here. Click on it and you click on the keyboard. Make sure you allow full access. Hit OK. Okay, and you can go to edit, and I'm gonna just drag it to the top so that I don't have to search for it when I start doing my text messaging. Okay, let's go and do a message now. I'm gonna do one to my daughter. Click on that world thing down there by the 1, 2, 3 and hold it, and then click the Gboard. And now you can do your swiping now. As you can see, I'm fit to do a swipe. And that's how it works. And you can also copy images from Google. Like type in images of a horse, just hold it and hit copy, hold, and paste. And that's really all to it. And you can also do restaurants, like the nearest restaurant, and click that, and it'll put the nearest restaurant. Hope this video helped. Thank you and have a great day.